He who does not forget the past is the master of the future. This timeless Chinese proverb underscores the enduring importance of understanding the legacies of historical civilizations, such as the Great Wall of China. A testament to human ingenuity, endurance, and foresight, the Great Wall is not merely a relic of stone and mortar, but a symbol of the resilience and unity that defined one of the world's most influential empires. The Great Wall of China's story begins during the Warring States period in the 7th century BCE, a turbulent era when Chinese states constructed early fortifications to protect their territories from rival factions and marauding nomads. These rudimentary walls, made primarily of rammed earth and wood, laid the foundation for what would become a monumental engineering achievement. In 221 BCE, after unifying the warring states, Emperor Qin Shi Huang ordered the consolidation and expansion of these walls to form a more cohesive defensive structure. This marked the beginning of a centuries-long endeavor to protect China's northern borders from the relentless incursions of nomadic tribes, particularly the Xiongnu. The Great Wall was not simply a defensive barrier, it was also a tool for asserting control over trade and migration. Positioned strategically along critical trade routes like the Silk Road, the wall regulated commerce and safeguarded caravans. It became a physical and psychological symbol of the empire's strength, projecting an image of unyielding authority to both internal and external audiences. Over the centuries, dynasties continued to build and fortify the wall, with the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644, undertaking the most extensive reconstruction. They replaced older sections with brick and stone and incorporated advanced features like watchtowers, garrison stations, and sophisticated signal systems, transforming the wall into a formidable military apparatus. The scale and scope of the Great Wall are staggering. Stretching an estimated 20,196 kilometers, 13,171 miles, as measured by the China State Administration of Cultural Heritage in 2012, the wall traverses mountains, rivers, and deserts, harmoniously blending with the natural landscape. Its construction required an immense labor force, including soldiers, prisoners, and conscripted workers. It is estimated that billions of bricks and stones were used, with the Ming sections alone thought to be composed of enough material to encircle the earth. Tragically, many laborers perished under harsh conditions, leading to the wall's grim nickname, the longest cemetery on Earth. Despite the myths, the Great Wall is not visible to the naked eye from space, a fact confirmed by astronauts. However, its importance transcends such legends. It provided a vital line of defense for China's agricultural heartlands, shielding the empire from the chaos of northern incursions. The wall's signal systems, employing smoke, fire, and flags, facilitated rapid communication across vast distances, allowing coordinated military responses. This efficiency ensured the stability of China's northern frontier, fostering a period of economic growth and cultural flourishing. The Great Wall also holds profound symbolic value. It represented the boundary between the civilized world of China and the barbarian territories beyond, reinforcing a sense of identity and cultural cohesion. Furthermore, it exemplified the collaborative spirit of a unified empire, as its construction and maintenance required the collective efforts of countless individuals over centuries. The wall's historical significance lies not only in its role as a physical barrier, but also in its enduring influence as a cultural and political icon. Today, the Great Wall endures as one of humanity's most remarkable achievements. A UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1987, it attracts millions of visitors annually who marvel at its sheer scale and the ingenuity of its builders. Though parts of the wall have succumbed to time and neglect, ongoing restoration efforts seek to preserve its legacy for future generations. It stands as a reminder of the extraordinary feats civilizations can accomplish when driven by a shared vision. A people without the knowledge of their past history, origin, and culture is like a tree without roots, observed Marcus Garvey. The Great Wall of China embodies this sentiment, grounding modern China in its rich heritage while serving as a beacon of inspiration. Its stones whisper stories of resilience, innovation, and unity, challenging us to reflect on the legacies we build for the future.